Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled HVAC Companies Pickerington, Ohio. And this area right here is called the Map Pack. And the top 3 businesses listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you get yourself into these top 3 is by first having a Google Business Profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, just making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so that people can find you. So I pulled up your website and I just want to go over a couple of things real quick. The main thing that you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors are going to have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords, and keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled HVAC Companies Pickerington, Ohio, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search, and Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at your website, it's really important to make sure that you have enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that's really going to help your website rank. So I pulled up, I have a paid program that I use, and I put in one of the competitors in the area, which is LRF Maintenance, Heating and Cooling. And I just want to go over a couple of things here real quick. And the first thing I wanted to go over was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. Now the UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up that they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can go click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. So, and then most importantly, I want to talk about the keywords in the content that I had mentioned before. So pulling up what keywords that LRF is being found for, and the volume column is going to tell us how many times a month that those particular keywords are being searched for. So just kind of giving you an idea of furnace repair, Lancaster, Ohio, 50 people look for that in a month. Furnace repair, Westerville, Ohio, 200 people look for that in a month. Heating and cooling, Lancaster, Ohio, 90 people look for that in a month. HVAC, Lancaster, Ohio, 70 people. HVAC repair, Westerville, Ohio, 20 people. Air conditioning repair, Grove City, Ohio, 30 people. So it's just giving you an idea of how many times people are looking for specific keywords in a month. But it's really important to get in front of these people, and if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people are going to find you. And then the more people are going to call, and in turn the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing from you and discussing any opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.